Welcome to your Gmail inbox, Advanced Selections. The first thing I want to show you is just the different options that appear on the left-hand side. Of course, to view your inbox, you want to select Inbox to see what's new. Any new email will appear white. Everything in my inbox is gray, so I've read it. There are a few options to label your emails. I like to use the stars. If I'm working on a project, or if I don't have the answer to a question, I will simply select the star next to the email. If you select the star more than once, you have some other options. I have a red star, a question mark, and a green star. In order to get these different versions of stars, go to your Settings, and scan down just a little bit. I like the question mark to label my emails so that I can go back and answer the question. If you would like one of these that are not in use, simply drag and drop it up into your area. Once you're done, scan all the way to the bottom and hit Save Changes. Now I can label an email with a question mark or a check mark to know that it's done. If I just want to view at the end of the day emails that I've starred for importance or to get back to and not see everything else, I can just select Starred and all of my starred emails appear. You can also label an email important. These yellow tabs just to the right of the star are important. If it's been labeled by the person sending it, it will also show up as a yellow tab. If you click on Important, all of your emails that have been labeled that way just show. To view your sent mail, click on Sent Mail. These are just all your tos. In first class, we used to see our to and from all in the same inbox, but Sent Mail is now just under Sent Mail. In your draft area, a couple of emails I started and didn't finish. If I didn't finish it, or my computer shut down, or something weird happened, it will always be in your draft area. If you never hit send, but you started it, it will appear here. The next group of labels here are folders I've created. To create a folder, all you do, I'm sorry, my video window wasn't big enough. To create a folder, I selected More, and the last thing all the way at the bottom is Create New Label. We're just going to label the folder name. So I'm going to select that, and if you are working at Central Crossing, or if you want to save all the emails from your SSC or anything like that, just label it and hit Create. And in just a few seconds, you can see I now have a folder called CCHS. I also like to color code my folders. When I throw an email in there, they will obtain that color. And to do that, there's a little drop-down arrow next to CCHS. And you can just select color and any options. We'll do blue because that's the school color. Now that I have folders created, I can go ahead and move some of these emails into my folders. I like to just drag and drop, so I can just, I can just grab this Learn Pad and I start to move it with my hand. I'm dragging and dropping, and I can throw it right in my Learn Pad folder. But if I have a lot of Learn Pad emails, which I do, I can select multiple at a time, just like this, and go up to my folder and select Learn Pad, and all of those emails automatically go into my Learn Pad folder. Really easy way to get it organized. You can also take a group like these three emails, or they don't even have to be together, and you can drag and drop. I'm just dragging, holding down the left hand side of my mouse, and I can go and drop it in one area all at one time. I am not going to do that right now. If you accidentally put an email in a folder and you didn't want it there, all you have to do is the opposite. So you can go here into my conference folder, and maybe this one doesn't belong there. I can check mark it, and I can move it to any other place. So that's a little bit about how to organize your inbox a little nicer. Thank you.